Because after the war, and the said that Igbos are the true Nigerians. Igbos are who in the main believe in the principle of one Nigeria. He went to the National Party at the time, MPN, and totally defeated the party. He went and contested to a side. But successful as he was, the next dispensation was he entered the National Party. Because he believed that Igbos and law means unfortunately, before he died, he embraced all people that came alive to Africa. This is a regional party that is in the southeast. And he's embraced the whole of Africa and he's being a national leader. His vote shows. Now, what we have today that means that we have to do a retreat and know whether our future will be based on zonal or regional basis. And that extent, I support also have a dialogue. One of
please, all those who are not seated should go to this altar.
Patriotism.
People on the right-hand side,
this is exemplified
to the left-hand side, please.
By the fact that even though he was a university graduate, that his love for service to his fatherland compared him into the Nigerian as a recruit. When you consider that at that time, enlistment at that level was open to those with first school leaving certificate, otherwise primary 6, then that tells you the kind of Nigerian he's made of. Throughout his career, exemplary. As you are aware, he had to be seconded to Ghana at some point as a military instructor, where he taught not just Nigerians, but also officers of the West African region. And as a commanding officer of 5th Battalion Kano, he was considered impeccable. These are records available with us today, and we therefore feel he deserves all the honor he's getting. And his death is a loss, not only to Nigeria, but also to Nigeria. May his soul rest in peace.
Oga, you are distracting us with your voice. National word.
Why the bad?
Why are you not there?
I would love to. That is the life. Final. Watch out. Leave your marching out through here. Leave your okay, they are come out through here. Oh, really? So coming out through here. So leave your open up. Open up, clear from here. They are marching out this way. They will march out here. They will march out here? Yeah, they are marching out here. Give way.
In 1, 2. Down and out. Breathe and and eyes. Rest on your arms. Reverse.
this stage, I will remain silent for the national anthem. National anthem. This will be followed by the last two. The national anthem. Standing for the national anthem. Thank you.
National salute! Present!
Practicing what we preach. Ojukwu SMGbo. Tears from my eyes, but I am still the way. Oh, Papa, we need you, John. People need you, man. Did you read one? For your Meromona TC, Emeka. If you know the drill is wrong, because they are born. Now that is presence, Nigerian. Rest in peace, Odumegwu Chukwuemeka.
Oh, no!
The leader of the Biafran Liberation Council.
Okay, so can you tell us what you people are doing here today?
Okay, we've come to receive the corpse, the remains of our late head of state, His Excellency Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, the leader of the Biafran nation, who passed away in London in November last year.
I can see that most of you came from different parts of the state.
Yeah.
Can you tell us why you people, what motivates you to be here today?
Yeah, we are being motivated by the fact that the man that saved our race from extermination from the Nigerian vandals is being buried, is being received here today. And then we also want to use this opportunity to announce the world that the cause which he fought and stood for is a cause that is worth dying for, and a cause which our own generation will still continue to pursue. So that's why we gathered here today.
Okay, the death of Odumegwu Ojukwu, what does the death stand for Igbos?
Yeah, the death, as a matter of fact, is the Igbo nation is still in shock because they are still yet to believe that Ojukwu will not be alive to witness a sovereign state of Biafra. And then we are still at loss as in what is the next step. But the fact that this idea of Biafra is a living thing which can hardly die. So we're being consoled by the fact that we'll still have to continue the struggle from where he stopped.
Because now that his body is coming down to Owerri today, so what next after here?
After
in terms of your group?
Yeah, our groups are being stationed in different parts of the Biafran territory. This set here is the set that is meant to receive his corpse at the airport. Others are the venue at the Hero Square. Some will be in Aba tomorrow. Some will be in Ahara. The Enugu group will stay over there. But at least this group will always be moving around, following, you know. Would have been taking charge of the burial proper, but the truth is that because of the politics in Nigeria, we don't want to have a clash with anybody. So we are giving the military the room to do it their own way and then give him a full military burial. So that's the truth.
Thank you very much.
I felt very sad that he's leaving us at this time. More so, because it was at the point that I had thought that he was going to come out of that situation, because he still had so many things much to have done for Nigeria.
Now, do you feel we are in the shoe of your father, looking at the past history, what as a warrior, and so many things he has done in the past? Will you fit in properly to the shoe of your father?
The shoes of my father are very big, and I cannot properly fit into it. My father was brought up by a situation. It was that situation that made him who he is. So anybody claiming to adequately fit into those shoes, you need to have the extant situation to temper you before you can fit it in. You find that before you wear a shoe, a new shoe, it becomes you need a shoe horn to put the shoe on. But now in this particular case, he has tempered the shoes, he has worn it, and the shoe has expanded. So the situation will be that if you want to fit into those shoes, you find that it will be loose on my feet, because I cannot properly size it. Okay,
today the world will be coming here today. In fact, Nigeria will be entered in Igbo states to witness this great hero as his body arrived at Owerri. If you were to be the same man your father was, but at that time you went to war, would you have done so?
Would I have done what?
Would you have gone to war?
Yes, I would have. I would have gone to war 3 times over, because the situation that led to that war was something he could not have avoided. He was a very responsible leader. As I always say it, he had all the opportunities to have abdicated, to have taken a flight and gone to London or to US. He was a highly cerebral person. So he could have fitted in very well into the academia if you realize that it is not money that sends one to Oxford, it is your intellect that sends you into Oxford. Even if your father is the richest person and you are not intelligent, there is no way you could get into Oxford because you don't buy admission into Oxford. You merit it.
Okay, so looking at the Ahira Declaration, the most popular declaration in the world, my father said, even the grass, the water, the soil, within the territory of Biafra will fight for me. So in other words, he is not regretting it. And he charged the Biafran people to continue fighting. And now, he is no more. Who do you think that will still lead the Biafra towards realizing your father's mandate? Because he once said, I will fight again if, and almost all those things that really resulted in the war that made him to go to war are still happening presently. So do you think the Igbos should go to war again?
If the situation presents itself, if they are faced with extermination, they should go to war. They should fight it out. Even the Englishman knows it. He says, if I'm pushed to the wall. If you find a situation where there is a roundly decimation of your people, there's nothing you can do than to defend yourself. The first law in defense is self-defense. So if it is for self-defense, yes, the Igbos, my people, should go to war. And if I'm called on, I will gladly, without having a second thought about it, lead that war if possible.
So you'll be prepared to lead the Igbos if what happens now?
What is your message to the entire Igbo nation, Nigerian general?
I have grown up to realize, I've been with my father to realize that he did not just lead the Igbos, he had a covenant with the Igbos. And the covenant he had with the Igbos is to merge his life into the entire Igbo life. Having realized that and having experienced the adoration, the reverence the Igbos give to him, my assurance, my promise to Igbo nation is that whatever he has done, wherever he has stepped into, I'm ready to step into those places.
in a very short while, we shall be rising up to celebrate our great hero, the Ikemba of Newe. On that note, I'd like to invite Prince Chinedu Wadike, to do us a quick song while we're still waiting for the arrival of the body of our great hero. Let us receive the body of our hero that has come to be with the Lord Almighty. Our hero, Ikemba of Newe, lies still.
Move out. Hey.
What a mighty man he was. What a great man. A great man of courage.
Come this side. Give chance. Cameras. Give chance. Camera, move.
Go by your right. A man of great eloquence. A great man indeed. No wonder the entire world is honoring him.
Hold that side. Hold that side. Right.
The man who said, "In Christ's sake, I have not come to live. I have come to rule the people. I have come to heal Nigeria." Indeed, we see the dreams of our great hero being fulfilled in Imo State today, in the person of our amiable governor, Owele Anayo Rochas Okorocha, who's training and blazing this great path of absolute desire to heal Nigeria, to heal Imo State, to heal the entire world. Thank you very much. We appreciate you. Can you please clear the arena so that the camera can show to the world the great honor that is being accorded to our late hero, a man of greatness, a man of dignity, a dogged fighter he was.
Stay here and cover it.
You were in our place, you fought for us, you gave us hope, and the hope you have given us shall not die. Though your flesh is gone, the hope lives on. Adieu, Ekele.
This is the day the Lord has made. We shall not cry, we shall not mourn, we shall rejoice and be glad in it. To God be the glory for Ebele like this. Your Excellency, my brother governor, the governor of Anambra State, the First Lady of Imo State, and all the other First Ladies here present. Her Excellency, one time the most beautiful girl in the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the wife of our lovely lady, Bianca Odumegwu Ojukwu. God bless you. The Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Imo State, the Speaker of Imo State House of Assembly, the Chief Judge of Imo State, members of the State Executive Council, our dear brothers, representative of the Governor of Kogi, Osun Ekiti, Kano, Kwara, and all the other states here present.
Celebrations of glory, celebrations of life, celebration of greatness, celebration of awesome power,
are coming under increasing threats. Enugu State, understandably, is more obliged than any other. It was here that he pronounced the words and carried out